I don't understand why I sleep all day, and I start to complain that there's no rain, and all I can do is read a book.